Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located on the banks of river Yamuna at Agra in India. This magnificent tomb was created by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The dome was designed by Ismail Khan. The dome is higher than a modern 20-story building and took 22 years to complete with a workforce of 20,000 craftsmen. Precious stones and marbles were imported from distant places. The uniqueness of the Taj lies in its many details in the masterly contrast between the central dome and the slender minarets. Design of the Taj is more Persian and less Indian. There are exquisite gardens and canals above which towers the massive form of the mausoleum. The main entrance is from west and other two entrances are from east and south. Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the world's longest human-made structure stretching over approximately 6,400 km from Shanghai, Guan in the east, the Lop Nur in the west. It was built and remodeled throughout many historical dynasties of China for several different reasons. It was constructed for protection from northern invaders. The Great Wall began as independent walls for different states when it was first built and did not become the Great Wall until the Qin dynasty. After the unification of China in 221 BC, the first emperor of Qin dynasty linked the walls of the three states in the north and formed the first Great Wall. During Ming dynasty, the Great Wall was built as it is seen today. It is made up of granite blocks, stone and sometimes brick. The width of the wall could fit 5 horse riders. The highest point of Great Wall is 10.5 meters tall and the watchtowers appears every 90 to 180 meters. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu, an Inca citadel located in the Andes Mountains of Peru, is one of the world's most well-known sacred places. This was considered as the traditional birthplace of the Inca people, but today it has become a spiritual destination for people from all religions. The Inca believed the spirits of their creator resided in the natural elements: the sun, the moon, the earth, mountains, rivers, trees, and the wind. The most interesting feature at Machu Picchu is the Intihuatana, also known as the hitching post of the sun. It is a carved rock pillars whose 4 corners face the 4 cardinal points. This structural beauty uses the classic Inca architectural style of polished dry stone walls of regular shape. The Incas were masters of the techniques called ashir, in which blocks of stone are cut to fit together tightly without mortar. Terra is located in southern Jordan. The ancient city of Terra was built from 800 BC to 100 AD by the Tibetan Arabs. They were renowned for their great skills in trade, agriculture, engineering, and architectural stone carving. They built temples and tombs, houses and halls, altars and aqueducts. The buildings of sandstone ranged in color from white to blue, pink, grey, brown, and deep red. The architecture was a mixture of Mesopotamian, Greek, Egyptian, and Roman styles. The city is surrounded by towering hills of rust-colored sandstone, which gave the city natural protection against invaders. The Statue of Christ the Redeemer. The Statue of Christ the Redeemer stands atop of the Corcovado mountain in Rio de Janeiro, a famous city of Brazil at a height of 710 meters. It was designed by Brazilian Hector da Silva Costa and created by French sculptor Paul Landowski. It was placed on the top of Corcovado Mountain in 1931. It stands on a 6-meter pedestal, weighs 700 tons. The two nations, Argentina and Chile, erected the statue as a symbol of perpetual peace between them. An inscription in Spanish at the base of a statue reads, "Sooner shall these mountains crumble into dust than Argentines and Chileans break the peace sworn at the feet of Christ the Redeemers." Colosseum at Rome. Colosseum is located in one of the city of Rome, that is Italy. It is an elliptical amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome and is one of the greatest works of Roman architecture and engineering. The height is about 50 meters and length is 180 meters. There were 4 stories, large enough to hold 50,000 spectators when inaugurated in 80 AD. The Flavian Roman Emperor built it for entertainment. The Colosseum was the setting for contests where gladiators were pitted against one another and also wild beasts. Gladiators were slaves or captives who were armed with swords or other weapons and compelled to fight to the death in a public arena against another person or a wild animal. This was all just for the entertainment. The pyramid at Chichen Itza, name mean at the mouth of the Itza well, which is one of the Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. It was built between 600 and 1250 AD, and there are several magnificent limestone buildings. El Castillo was the most important building in Chichen Itza and a high temple pyramid that dominated the entire city. The Temple of the Warriors was a striking forest of stone columns decorated with relief carving of warriors. There was an astronomical observatory with a circular tower called El Caracol, which was helpful in identifying the precise time of the equinoxes for religious and agricultural purposes. Chichen Itza is the most valuable preserved of many Mayan ruins in Mexico and Central America.